have to have a left sheet in your answer sheet. Am I right? So now we are going to see like some of the general tips. Even you know that before coming for the examination, you know some of the tips are very important. We know this. Anyhow, we will recap this. So now I am going to recap what are the general tips. Number one is you have to go unit wise. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So for example, you are very down. That means sometimes you are studying more things and your brain is not working. That time you go for very easy type of question and revise it. Take 2 marks, revise in Unit 2. Okay. So and while you are preparing, you must have the focus like all the units are equally important. So what is the first tip? What is the first tip? All the units are equally important. So the question paper, how the question paper from MTR University is taken is, it will go to A professor, B professor, C. That means the first professor will prepare 3 sets of questions. Similarly here, that means 1, 2, 3. So you will get total how many sets of questions? 9 sets of questions. So in the 9 sets of questions, the COE controller will do either a mixing of first and second numerator 1 and 2 from other papers, or he will choose some randomly a question paper. Okay, how the question paper are chosen is either randomly or mixing up of question papers. So what will happen is, the first examiner may ask you facts and whys, analytical constant, detail in 10 marks. The second question paper may have Rachel Mitchell value, iodine value. So the question paper is repeated. So this is how you will get 10 marks here, 5 marks here. So what I mean to say here is, a question paper 75 marks can be 40 marks from a chapter, another 35 marks from different chapters, or sometimes you may not have question in any other unit. Have you experienced like this? Anytime. I have experienced in my organic chemistry while I am studying my pharmacy. They have asked only general questions. So what I mean to say here is, you don't have a prediction of question paper. Before coming to the examination hall, do not sit with the friends who are having more anxiety. For example, you might have experienced. Some friends will tell, like, have you studied Saxmore theory? You might have omitted that night. When he is telling, you will open what is Saxmore theory and you will get tensed. So while you are entering the examination hall, the Saxmore theory will not be in the question paper, but in your mind you will be searching the answer for the Saxmore theory. Okay, so you must limit your anxiety to a controlled level, and you should not, funnily we can say, you should not go near the BP patients. Somebody will increase your anxiety and they will be calm. So this is the second thing. So anxiety should be in a, what do you mean by anxiety means? Nowadays we are using the term depression, that's not depression. It's a state of anxiety, some tension in a controlled level. It should be in unity, like it should be in a controlled level. Number 3 is planning of the answer sheet. How I have told you the planning of the answer sheets.
We have seen about all the important points related with the examination preparations. I hope you have understood. So to recap the things, first thing is we have to get organized in the examination hall, reduce the anxiety, go through the question paper thoroughly, get the key points while reading the question paper. And number 5th point is, do not get any tension due to the peer group pressure. For example, if you are talking with your friends, get only the positive things. Don't go with the predicted question paper. Number 6 is, during the examination hall, you have to be physically and mentally fit, and also you have to present your paper as discussed above. So thank you for making this and hearing it patiently. Thank you.